Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make super amazing, delicious lemon pepper sauce, sweet mango. Plenty of ingredients. Let's check it out. Alright guys, you can see what I have is a list of ingredients for this recipe. Of course, all these ingredients will definitely be pinned in the description of the video so you can always check it out. Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, lemon, sweet mango, and of course parsley. Next step is basically go ahead and start prepping my ingredients. Guys, at this point I'm going to go ahead and start chopping my peppers into small pieces. Do keep in mind at this point you do have the option as far as removing the seed, or you can leave it as it is. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and remove a portion of the seeds. So in order to reduce the amount of heat from these peppers. If you like yours to be very hot, you can also just go ahead and leave the seeds. Guys, here are my chopped ingredients. Also salt, which you can also substitute for sea salt. Also vinegar. Next step is basically go ahead and add these to a blender or a food processor, whichever one you're comfortable using, feel free to use. At this point, majority of my ingredients pretty much in the blender. Before we get started, you definitely want to go ahead and add half a cup of vinegar. Next up, guys, you want to go ahead and add your salt. At this point, guys, you can go ahead and add your lemon juice. Guys, do keep in mind you do have the option as far as blend it a bit more, or the way I prefer to have mine, a bit chunky, totally optional.